Good afternoon, friends. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and it is really cold up here today and super windy, and it's just giving me winter Christmassy vibes. A little bit of snow came out. Anyway, I showed you guys this golden magazine that I got from when I was little, from 1966, and I've taken this page out and I'm going to glue it onto cardstock. And then I'm going to cut out Santa, and I have some little teeny tiny brads that I'm hoping I can use to put Santa together. So I think I'm just going to take my glue stick, if I can get it open. It's glued shut. Alright, and I am just going to glue the whole page down. Hopefully it will stick good. If not, I'll re-glue it with better glue. But I find that Craft Bond, Elmer's Craft Bond, is pretty good. So let's get this down here. And I believe the whole page is covered in glue. And we're just gonna put it on here. And I'm going to roll it out with my roller that I got from Dollar Tree. I think this is like a face roller. I don't know. And it looks like it's pretty good. I don't need this part to be down so great, but looks like maybe everywhere else is okay. Something in this piece. What's that? A hunk of glue? Yep. Okay. Alright, and like I said, the edge, it doesn't matter if all the edges are glued down perfectly because we're going to cut them apart. Now I'm not going to film cutting it apart, but I will film when I come back with all the parts cut out. Alright, so I have all the parts cut out, and as you can see from the directions, it's actually supposed to be a jumping Santa, and you're supposed to put a string on it, and then pull the string and everything moves, but we're just going to kind of put Santa together. I'm not even sure where you're supposed to put this little bag of toys, to be honest. Because there's no picture of it put together. So I am going to use my awl to punch a hole. Like this is his hat, and I think I'll put that in the back. I'm not sure why there's two holes on his head though. So we're gonna poke a hole in here and here, and I'm just gonna poke all the holes in the parts, and then we'll put them together. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy. Okay, so I'm going to take my little, oh, I forgot I have to poke these holes too. And I'm wondering if I could just put like glue around here, but not near the arms and legs so that they can still move. But let's find out. And I don't know if I really care if I'm using all the same color. Probably do care. Let's use black. So I'm going to put this behind. Can he move his hat around, I guess, too. I would maybe try to do the directions the right way and make him jump, but then I wouldn't be able to put him in my journal. So I think I'm going to put all the parts behind him. I think that would look better. Yeah. Okay, so I have my little guy here, my little Santa. I'm putting his legs on now. And now this one. And since I said I did want to make them all the same color, now I have to make sure I'm finding black ones. I think this is black. I really need my glasses to tell, but I can't find them. I don't like bifocals. They make me sick. So I have a pair of reading glasses and a pair of distance glasses. And sometimes, oops, I just don't remember where I put my reading glasses. Anybody else have that problem? That's what happens when you get old. Okay, now his arms. Let's see. Which arm was which? Yep. Yep, I guess that's good. So, I think apparently the bag of toys is here. Oh, on his back. I think that looks weird though. I don't think I'm going to use his bag of toys. Probably don't have any black ones left, I bet you. $1 million. One black, one left. I think there's just one left. Exactly as many as we need. Oops, forgot who's going behind. Okay. Sorry. I'm trying to get the prongs. There's Santa, my movable Santa. Alright, now we just have to figure out how we're going to put him in Santa's toy shop. See, that's the only thing. He would have to go on like this. And then to close the book, he'd have to do all kinds of contortions. I wonder if we should just put him there or here. Part of me wants to stay in order, but so what I'm thinking is just like putting some glue right here on everything that doesn't move and glue him down. Yeah. Alright, I think I will use better glue than I'm going to use better glue than glue stick. So now I have to remember not to get anything on the moving parts. Oops, I think I got some on there. Okay, I think I better stick with this. We want him to be able to move. You think it will work? Oh boy, I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, I think it will. Except, oh boy, I think, yeah, that's going to be stuck there. He needs to move over. I think I'm going to have to move him over. Okay, let's put the glue back. More glue. And move him over. Oh boy. I keep getting... It's not as easy as you might think. Alright, I remember I have to move him over a little bit. Okay. There. Yeah. It's okay if it sticks out a little bit there. And then we still have that. Actually, does this hat really even need to move? Probably not. Okay, let's leave him out until it dries. We don't want any glue here. Okay, I was out of focus. Or out of camera, or out of range. Anyway, here's my Santa. And when we close the book, we can just move everything up. Ugh, now that one. Oh, God. Move everything up slightly. I don't know how well this is going to actually stay, but we're going to put our number 2 here. And I almost kind of wish now I had just made a pocket to put him in. Might have been better. And I wonder if I can take it off again and just go ahead and, yeah. I think we're going to start all over and get rid of this page, as crazy as that sounds. We're going to perform some journal surgery, and just going to do this so that the other side won't also come out. And what I could do is just put some washi tape down on that, which is what I'm probably going to do, and make a pocket. And we can just put him in like that. But I want to make sure all the glue is dry before I do that. So we have him there. I thought this paper would be perfect because it's the same color background as this, and it's just pretty. So I'm going to cut it right about here and just glue it down. And that will be day 2 of December Daily. I think I better make this pocket kind of deep. Maybe a little deeper even. There we go. And I think I will take my, where is it? My little circle punch here. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that with the glue. I think I'm just going to actually glue this down too. Is anything coming out? I can't tell. I think I need to unclog it. Okay. That's good. And now we'll do this. Yeah, it's definitely, maybe this will help. We shall see. Yeah, it's helped a little bit. I want to make sure I get enough glue on there to hold the pocket down. Yeah, it's too bad that I couldn't just attach them to the page, but I just didn't think it was going to work very well. To close it, because this way he can move around much more freely. He's kind of cute. He is bending, and yeah, we'll let this dry, and we'll get him in there. Alright, so I'm going to take my 2, and I'm just going to put it right here. And I think I'm just going to glue the bag of toys to the pocket, front of the pocket. And I think I already said it, but I hope you're doing well. I'll say it again. Hope you're happy and healthy and doing well. And now we're going to put Santa, oops, in the pocket. There, he looks cute in there. Perfect. A little higher than Paige, but no, maybe not. No, he's good if I can tuck his hat in. And yeah, that's good. So, thanks so much for watching. I hope your weather is not as cold and snowy as ours is, and gloomy. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.